Hi all. See this here, without just seeing that problem or without thinking anything, right? We can understand that we have to subtract this to sine function, right? Sorry, the sine inverse function. So we have to directly apply the formula of sine inverse x minus sine inverse y, right? So just apply that formula. So here it says that we are having that sine inverse of 12 by 13 minus sine inverse of 3 by 5. So that's equal to, gives me that sine inverse of 12 by 13 multiplied by square root of 1 minus 3 by 5 whole square. That gives me that 9 by 25. Now we are having minus sign 3 by 5. We just keep it. Square root of 1 minus 12 by 13 whole square, that is 144 divided by 169. That's it. So what's the formula actually we used? I just wrote it here. Maybe I don't need that space. Otherwise we'll use that. So actually we use that formula, that sine inverse x minus sine inverse of y is equal to sine inverse of x into square root of 1 minus y square minus y into square root of 1 minus x square. So you just apply this formula to solve this particular problem. Let's go ahead and calculate now. The boring part of any maths, right? Let's go ahead. So let's go ahead and see that it's sine inverse of 12 by 13. And obviously we'll have 16 by 5. So therefore we have 4 by 5. Minus we have 3 by 5. And we have 25, so 5 by 13. That's it. Let's go ahead and calculate a little bit more. So we can say that we'll have sine inverse of 48 minus 15 divided by 65. That's imply that we'll get it as sine inverse of 33 divided by 65. That's it. So that's the final answer. Okay, but see that unfortunately, right, we don't get any answer common, right? So either we made a mistake or something else need to be done. But obviously I don't see that we are making any calculation mistakes. So we are confident on that. So how should I change that? We'll change the values. Now here the output we are giving in the form of sine inverse. Now answer is also present in cos inverse. So let's change the function in cosine and cos again, right? So let's change that, right? So from sine inverse we'll trying to change it to cos inverse, right? So what's the formula we'll use? That's imply that it's equal to cos inverse of square root of 1 minus 33 square divided by 65 square. So if I calculate, we can see it becomes cos inverse of square root of 65 square minus 33 square divided by 65 square. So now this is a square minus b square formula. So we can apply that. It can be cos inverse of square root of 65 plus 33, that gives me 98. 65 minus 33, that gives me 32 divided by 65 square. Okay, that's it. Let's make that as s. Okay, so therefore we can say that now s is equal to cos inverse of square root of, now 98. 98 means that it's 7 into 7, 7 into 14. So 7 into 7 multiplied by 2 into 32, 64 divided by 65 square. So therefore it gives me that cos inverse of 7 into 8, 56 divided by 65. That's it. Now see that now we get 56 by 65. So therefore it can be written as pi by 2 minus sine inverse of 56 divided by 65, and that's why for this particular problem option B is the correct option. So only the step we need to remember that up to this one, that getting sine inverse of 33 by 65, it's a very easy. But we should not stop here, right? We should check the other values as well, and so that we can verify the particular problem. Otherwise we will say that okay, that we made some mistakes. So that checking also you need to perform to check that correct option. Hope you understood the problem. Thank you.